Question 2. The information display on a train shows letters by illuminating dots in a rectangular 5 by 8 array. In the letter T shown, what fraction of the dots in the array is illuminated? So this diagram here, if we actually coloured this in with different coloured spots, what have we got? I've misaligned them, haven't I? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. We've got 8 down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So therefore, the total thing, the total is 5 times 8. And if you count the dots up of the T, you actually have 20 dots. And therefore, the fraction is C.